Okay, so just met up with Aaron. We're about to go to Bulacan. We're aiming to get to this place called Tila Pilon Hills. So we'll see how that goes. We just got to Tila Pilon Hills and it's very promising and very dark. We got the moon in the back and now I'm gonna go and find someone to help us.
After registration, we paid for a tent and a local guide for our overnight camping stay. If you plan to do this trip as well, make sure to visit Tila Pilon's Facebook page for up-to-date announcements since this video was made back in December 2020.
So I'm doing a night scout while there's the moon illuminating the landscape, and it's exciting because we haven't seen the actual landscape because we arrived at night. So hopefully when the light comes out, it's gonna be worth it.
For this time-lapse sequence, I shot around 200 frames with a 1-second interval using the in-camera intervalometer of the Fujifilm X-T30. I love how dynamic this came out, with the tree barely moving, yet the clouds are flying by so fast. As the minutes went by, we realized that the light wasn't gonna happen, so we wrapped up our sunrise setup and hiked towards the peak.
Now we're going back. Sunrise was okay, but I think we managed to get enough content. So I'll see you guys at campsite because I'm currently walking downhill.
On the way down, I thought there were no more photos to be had, but then something caught my eye. This panorama is composed of 5 vertical photos, shot at 16mm. My favorite part of this are the people standing on the hills on both ends of the photo, which provides a sense of scale to the landscape. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Feel free to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if you have a favorite photo or sequence from this video. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this.